What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L. We're getting ready for 16-17 Black Diamond tonight. We're going to be live in 15 minutes, actually, for this. Live in 15 minutes, and we're doing our last couple teams here with two winners. Top name taking home Carolina, Anaheim. Second name taking home Minnesota. So not the best teams, but I mean, they're still cheap. 1048. Here's your list. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Copy them over. Where are we to here? Oh, I forgot to put live. For live, good luck. Here's your third timestamp. Third timestamp. 1048. 1048. Last and final. Top two taking home teams. There you go. Clay and Jonathan. Spot 4. Spot 7. Clay, you're taking home Carolina and Anaheim. And Jonathan, you're taking home Minnesota, guys. Congrats. We'll see you in 15 minutes for the break. Best of luck nailing the Leafs. Here is 1048, and 1048 it is. So congratulations again, Clay. John, we'll see y'all in 15 minutes, guys. Thanks again. Good luck.